Hunky Dory. Hunky Dory, beautiful cedar feature. Yeah, I'm not alone. I'm not alone today. Got the heckler behind me. Being heckled. Oh! No gapping for me, thank you. This nice flow. This is an incredible trail. Short and sweet. And that's it. Dumps out at the road. And catch the top of Vanilla. Okay. New Vanilla. Ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. Oh, beautiful recovering clear cut. Maybe recovering. The heckler behind me still. Sort of subtle tabletops. Some beautiful photos online of this trail from above, cutting through the forest green with the understory. It's growing back in. There'll be a trail link in the description. It's a brand new trail this year. Oh, a little bit of air there. My tires might be under pressure. Feel them bottom out a bit. Catch it. Oh! Nice. Oh! Oh, I love these bridges. Split cedar rail bridges. Climb through here. We did this yesterday for the first time. Trying it again today. UROC, United RIders of Cumberland, has done an absolutely incredible job on this trail system. Amazing organization. And land use agreements with all these various land stakeholders here to create this network across all the various property owner groups. Mosaic, Village of Cumberland. Ooh. This is a workout. It's like a downhill pump track. And it goes on for a good bit. Ooh. Yeah, I definitely think I'm under tire pressure. Keep hearing noises. I think my son's crashed out behind me. Complaining about my seat position. Oh, nice. Beautiful, flowy in the forest here. Ah, that is the new Vanilla.